Rail freight from China. Did you know that rail freight from China can be faster and cheaper than other modes of transportation? With lead times as short as 18 days and prices as low as 50% of air freight costs, it's no wonder that businesses around the world are turning to rail freight from China as a reliable and cost-effective way to transport their goods. Take this factory, for example. They rely on raw materials and components from all over the world to manufacture their products. In the past, they would have had to rely on slow and expensive ocean freight to get their supplies from China. But now, thanks to the efficiency and reliability of rail freight, they can get their materials faster and cheaper than ever before. According to a study by DHL, rail freight from China to Europe can take as little as 18 days, compared to the 30 to 40 days it can take for ocean freight. And while air freight is still faster, it can be up to 5 times more expensive than rail freight. In fact, according to the same study, rail freight from China to Europe can be up to 50% cheaper than air freight. And it's not just Europe that is benefiting from the cost and time savings of rail freight from China. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, for example, has reduced the transit time of goods from China to Pakistan from 60 days to just 10 to 15 days, thanks to the development of a new rail route. This has led to a surge in trade between the two countries, with bilateral trade expected to reach $20 billion by 2022. But navigating the complex world of rail freight from China can be challenging. That's where SINO Shipping comes in. As a leading provider of freight forwarding services, SINO Shipping specializes in providing top-quality rail freight services from China to destinations all over the world. Our team of experts can help you streamline your supply chain, reduce costs, and ensure that your goods arrive at their destination quickly and efficiently. At SINO Shipping, we understand the importance of time and cost savings when it comes to transporting goods from China. That's why we offer a range of rail freight services to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Whether you need to transport goods from China to Europe, the Middle East, or Africa, we can help you find the most cost-effective and efficient solution for your business. Our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction has earned us a reputation as one of the most reliable and trustworthy freight forwarding companies in the industry. And the benefits of rail freight from China don't just stop at cost and time savings. Rail freight is also a more environmentally friendly way to transport goods. According to the International Union of Railways, trains emit 6 times less CO2 than trucks and 20 times less than airplanes per ton-kilometer of goods transported. That means that by choosing rail freight from China, your business can also reduce its carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. And with China investing heavily in its railway infrastructure, the capacity for rail freight from China is only going to increase. According to the National Development and Reform Commission of China, the country plans to increase its railway freight volume to 5.1 billion tons by 2025, up from 4.33 billion tons in 2020. This investment in infrastructure will not only benefit Chinese businesses, but also businesses around the world that rely on rail freight from China. But it's not just the cost and environmental benefits of rail freight from China that make it an attractive option for businesses. The reliability and consistency of rail freight are also major selling points. According to a study by World Bank, rail freight has an on-time delivery rate of over 95%, compared to just 70 to 80% for ocean freight. This means that businesses can have greater confidence in their supply chains and reduce the risk of delays and lost shipments. At SINO Shipping, we understand that reliability is just as important as cost and speed when it comes to transportation. That's why we work closely with our clients to ensure that their shipments are delivered on time and in the best possible condition. We use advanced tracking technology to keep our clients informed about the status of their shipments, and our team of experts is always available to answer any questions or concerns. And the cost savings of rail freight from China are not just limited to transport costs. According to a study by McKinsey, rail freight can also result in significant savings in inventory costs. Because rail freight is more reliable and consistent than ocean freight, businesses can reduce the amount of safety stock they need to hold, freeing up capital and reducing the risk of overstocking. At SINO Shipping, we understand that businesses need more than just a transportation provider. That's why we offer a range of additional services to help our clients streamline their supply chains and reduce costs. From customs clearance to warehousing and distribution, we have the expertise and experience to help businesses of all sizes succeed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting videos about the world of transportation and logistics. And if you're ready to start saving time, money, and the environment on your freight transport, contact SINO Shipping today to learn more about our rail freight services.